Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for watching Explore with Alex. I really appreciate every single one of you. If this is your first time, please subscribe. I really appreciate every single one of you. So I haven't been posting a lot of videos recently, and the reason is because I've been working so much. I had a lot of hours at work, and I really needed to work, and also so I can be able to travel. So I just wanted to let you know that I didn't forget about you guys. Also, I want to thank again every single one of you for subscribing and watching my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. So my next campsite that I went to check out is actually called Boulder Gulch, and it's right next to Lake Isabella. It's actually, I did another video about some of the campsites around that area. So I went to this other side and checked out this one, which is called Boulder Gulch, right next to Lake Isabella. There's fishing there, and also you can go swimming, and there's no hookups there, but it is a little bit bare. Not a lot of trees, but I think you're gonna like it if you want to go swimming with the family and spend some time. And it's near Lake Isabella, and I don't think it gets that busy as they say, because I did go on a weekend and it wasn't busy at all. So why don't we go take a look at it? Hopefully you like it. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. I really appreciate every single one of you. Take care of yourself, please. Bye-bye. So guys, this is Boulder Gulch Campground. It's nestled in the foothills of the high desert, just short drive from Lake Isabella. The facility sits in the giant Sequoia National Forest right off of Highway 155. It has 78 camping sites with potable water, flush toilets, a fish cleaning station, and a playground. And not to mention, it's just walking distance to Lake Isabella. This is a popular fishing area, great for tents, camper vans, and RVs and trailers up to 45 feet. Open from mid-April through September 30th. Campsites fees range from $34 a night and $8 a night for extra vehicle. And busiest time is summer. Unfortunately, there's not much shade, as you can see, so bring an easy up or some sort of canopy to provide you with some shade. If you're looking for campsites with hookups, then try Kernville. A few miles away, there's several in that area that are well maintained and right next to the Kern River. On the plus side, Boulder Gulch is close to the lake and a short walk from your campsite. There's lots of hiking trails and giant rocks for kids to climb and explore around. Each campsite comes with a picnic table and a fire pit, and some of these sites are larger than others, and some come with pull-through sites rather than back-in sites. This campground offers drinking water and clean facilities. If you look at the reviews, visitors have mentioned the friendliness hostess and the overall cleanliness of the area, making it a welcoming place to set up camp. Keep in mind that weekends can get busy, so if you're after a quieter experience, consider heading out midweek. Just wanted to point out that some of the more shaded sites at this campground, which are closer to the highway, are best for the tent campers. There's a little bit of highway noise, but I say it's tolerable. In the summer, it can get pretty hot, but you're walking distance to Lake Isabella, which offers awesome views. Just to let you know, if you can't find a spot with shade, you can always go to Hungry Gulch Campground, which is right across the street. Not only does this campground offer large spaces, but they offer dump station and a playground for kids. Most sites have a paved pad, but not very well leveled, so bring leveling blocks for your RV. If you're wondering about cell coverage, if you have T-Mobile, you'll probably get 2 bars. If you have Verizon and AT&T, you'll have a bit more. Also be aware that if you come by on a holiday, it will cost you a few more dollars to camp here. There's also a couple of bathrooms buildings throughout the campground with showers, but showers have not been in working condition for a few years now due to drought. So next, this is a quick view of different campsites. So guys, there is the campground right there, and then the lake is just walking distance.